Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to explore how artificial intelligence learns to do all the amazing things we see in the world today. From recognizing your voice to suggesting what movie to watch. Let's see how AI gets so smart. First, what is AI? AI is like a super smart computer that can think and learn just like humans. For AI to become smart, it needs to learn from a lot of data, just like how we learn from experience. One way AI learns is called supervised learning. Imagine you are teaching a robot to recognize cats and dogs. You show it many pictures of cats labeled cat and dogs labeled dog. The robot looks at the pictures and learns the differences. Soon it can tell if a new picture is a cat or a dog. It's like learning with flashcards. The more examples you see, the better you get at recognizing them. Another way AI learns is through unsupervised learning. Here the robot gets a bunch of unlabeled data, no hints at all. It has to figure out patterns and group similar things together on its own. Imagine dumping a box of toys on the floor and the robot groups them into cars, blocks and dolls without being told which is which. It finds the pattern by itself. Next we have reinforcement learning. Think of this as training a puppy. The robot tries different actions and it gets a reward if it does something right and a penalty if it does something wrong. For example, if a robot is learning to play a game, it will keep trying different moves, learning which ones score points and which ones don't. Over time, it gets really good at the game. AI often uses something called neural networks to learn. These networks work a bit like our brains, with layers of connected nodes that process information. Deep learning is when these networks have many layers, allowing the AI to recognize complex patterns like identifying different fruits or understanding speech. It's like having a super brain that gets better with practice. To train AI, we need lots of data and powerful computers. The more data the AI has, the smarter it becomes. It's like going to school. The more you study, the more you know. But there are challenges too. We need to make sure AI learns fairly and respects privacy. It's important to use good data and think about how AI decisions affect people. So there you have it. AI learns by seeing a lot of examples, finding patterns, trying out actions, and using smart networks. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new today, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.